Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing the AirPods Pro clone which I bought from Taobao. So here it is. This is a quick look of it, and this is what it comes inside the package. So inside the box you got the AirPods itself and a silicone case included, so it's really good, especially for its price. So on the front you got a picture of the AirPods just like the original, and on the top and the bottom you got nothing, and nothing for left and right too. And on the back you got the picture of the case and AirPods, which is like the originals. The box is wrapped nicely with plastic just like the original AirPods. Opening up the case, you can see the instruction manuals. Manual is just like the same as the original AirPods. The next thing you see is the AirPods itself, wrapped nicely in plastic. And again, this is just like the originals. Next, you're gonna get two pairs of different sizes ear tips and a USB-A to Lightning charging cable. Here is a close look of the ear tips. As you can see, there is mesh inside the ear tips, and the ear tips is just like the originals. And here is the unboxing of the silicone case which comes with the AirPods. Opening up the case, the hinge is pretty satisfying, I would say. And here's a close look of the earbuds or AirPods you call that itself, and as you can see, got the upgraded stem here, the upgraded charging port. So yeah, but unfortunately this mesh outside is still a sticker. And here is a close look of it. Ear tips, which is a little bit hard, and as you can see, it's again just like the original ones, and this is upgraded, and I didn't even expect it. Putting it back was easy enough though. The case is magnetic. Itself is plastic, unfortunately. So I am going to connect it with my iPad, which has the iOS 13.3.1. So let's see how it will connect. As you open the lid, the pop-up is there, and just like the original AirPods Pro, there is the AirPods Pro pop-up. Okay, I'm holding down the button here, and boom. And note that the light, it turns white, it has the one-to-one pop-up animation, just like the original AirPods. Alright, as you can see, it says AirPlus Pro, and you got your free battery icons here. And after my testing, I think it is real. So yeah, and this is not like the real one, because the real one has a different animation. Here is my AirPods 2 non-wireless charging version here, and as you can see, there's only two battery icons, and as I take it out, it becomes free. So it's a little bit different than the official AirPods, but it's still, good enough. Swiping down the control center and pressing the volume rocker, here we got to choose our modes between transparency, noise cancelling, and off when this is like the original ones. And then as you can see, the menu is also the same as original, and you can change your name here. Okay, let me change to, let's say, AirPods Pro. Yep, and let's see what's gonna happen. Says AirPods Pro, so as you can see, it can change its name, and that is really good. And now let's test if the transparency works. Hello? Oh wow, it actually works. So I can actually hear what I'm saying clearly now, and that is really good. So it got working transparency mode. Okay, let's test noise cancellation, and of course it doesn't work. I don't think any clone works now, at least for now. Let's see, got your eartip with test. Let's see, blah blah blah, continue. Let me play it. Alright, so there's some music playing, and it suggests to try a different eartips. Let's try it again. Okay, see the results. So it works, I guess. You got automatic ear detection and microphone, blah blah blah. The seller claims that it has the Aroha 1536U chip, which is supposed to give you a better sound and lower latency and higher efficient and higher battery playback time. So I'll test the mic of the AirPods.
Alright, and this is me talking with a normal volume. What do you guys think? I think it's actually pretty good for AirPods clones, because a lot of clones actually has worse mics.
So after listening to YouTube and watching some YouTube videos with this AirPods Pro clone, I found out that there are minimum latency. I think there's no noticeable latency, and I think it's really good. And the sound quality is just awesome. I mean, it's kind of like the Sabat E12 Ultra. If you have those, you're gonna love this too. And yes, they are bassy, and the mid and highs, the vocals are really good, and yeah, it's just out of my expectation, and it's really good.